Welcome to Beauty Extras. I'm Chris Dale, and today we're going to be changing the oil on the Subaru Forester, on cameraman Subaru Forester, and the Acura Integra to get ready for beauty on the road. So stay tuned for that. Let's get to it. Alrighty then, I gotta remove the plug on the bottom of the oil pan to drain the oil. Now that I've got my oil pan, it's time to loosen to take out the plug. Oh, Jesus, there we go. And make sure not to let the plug fall in. All right, now that I got the oil draining, it's still dripping a bit, so I'm gonna let that keep dripping. While I do that, I'm gonna put on the new filter. So I'm gonna get some oil from the old filter, put it on the gasket on the new filter, and then screw the new filter onto where the old filter was. This is easier when your hands aren't covered in oil, but you can still get it tight enough. Now it's mostly done leaking out the old fluid oils. Now it's time to put on the plug. All right, now I'm gonna remove the 710 cap. Some people call it an oil cap, but I think they're wrong because obviously it says 710. It's an oil cap, I'm just making a joke. Mobil 1 10W30 full synthetic, going right in. You can use 4.5 quarts because that's what this motor takes. Yeah, drink up, little buddy. Remove this, give it a little tippy tap, and put the 710 oil cap back on. And we are done with the Forester. Now it's time to move on to the Integra. All right, now that the Forester and the Integra have some new oil and filters, they should be ready for our road trip. So I guess I'll see you on the road. Have a good one. Peace. Bye. Hey everyone, if you want to watch more detailing videos, go on ahead and click the sponge and spray bottle right there. And if you want to watch more modification videos, click the wheel and wrench right there. And remember, stay beautiful.